Hi everyone, so I just came back from vacation, and before I left I bought one of the Spellbinders mystery boxes when you don't know what you're buying, but it's a very good price. So I'm going to open it together with you guys. I can't wait. I was thinking about this box the whole time I was traveling, and okay, I'm going to put this aside and we're going to look at it together. So the first thing that I see I already love, because it's a beautiful dice set. It's called Stitched Petal Bloom, and I will find the link to the things that came, and I'll have it below in case you want. This is one of those stitching ones, but the one thing I love about them, I hardly ever do any of the stitching. I never actually before ever use the threads, but I use it anyway because they're all beautifully stitched. So even though you can add, see, you can add the thread, I hardly ever add anything, but it's still beautiful. So I love this one, and I love the size. Wow, these are pretty. It's gonna make a pretty big, because that's, see how big it is. So that would be nice, and I can just use it separately. I love the smile. So that one is that's a win. Great, love it. This one is by Hero Arts, and it's a happy birthday, hello, sending love. It's stamp set, everything will be okay, missing you. Very nice. This is the kind of general sentiments that I use. BetterPress. Oh, I love this one. The problem is I do not have a BetterPress system, so I guess this one will turn out to be a giveaway for you guys. So beautiful tree. Oh, it's gorgeous. I wish I had the BetterPress, but I don't. So I'm gonna put that aside. That's gonna be a giveaway. Oh, cutting dies. Dies are my favorite. You guys know. You've been here long enough. The beautiful die set called Over the Rainbow makes this cute, very cute scenery here with the rainbow. Oh, I love this passage here. You can, instead of this, that's how my mind works. I mean, I like to just use everything I have together. So a little person here or a dog would be great. So love this one. I'm going to just divide dies, stamp set, giveaway. Oh, another die. And another one of those stitching ones. This one is stitched thank you and for you. So thank you and for you. Very nice. Like it. Great size. But again, I'll just use it as is. I don't know. I just don't have. It's funny because I sew and I use dies all the time, but I just never do them together. Don't have the patience. Another BetterPress that will be a giveaway for you guys. Look at that. Wonderful. I love to see them using this, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna put it away for you. Oh, 3D embossing folder with flowers. Love it. Let me just open. I love the flowers because you can use flowers with everything. This one is pretty big. These 3D embossing folders, I usually see how big they are. And yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be gorgeous. Love it. We'll use it a lot. My favorite embossing folder is by Spellbinders. It's a 3D one that I use over and over again, and it's another flower one. I can't remember the name right now, but I'll have the link below to my favorite. Okay, so that's another one that I love. So what is this? I have no idea what this is, guys. So it's called Up and Away Elements. I'm gonna have to check what that is. I'll just type on Spellbinders and find out how to use these things. Put that away. This one is a cute stamp set. Don't love it. Like it, don't love it. How about, what do you guys think? Maybe I'll do a giveaway with that, because I use dies most of the times. Oh, I love these background stamps. These are very big and very nice for the background. Flowers by Spellbinders. So look at that. Love it. So there's something here very well wrapped. No idea what it is. Oh, it's some kind of, ooh, beautiful blue. Look at that. Glittery, some kind of glittery paste. It's called Art Glitter. That's my favorite. That's the only glue I use, Art Glitter. You guys see it, use it all the time. The original chunky opaque hologram. So I don't know, let me open. Should I open, guys? Oh, look at this. I'm already glitter, man. Love it. Oh my god, it's glitter. No, I am not opening this. Oh, disaster already. Oh my gosh, look at this. Guys, I don't know. I have a love and hate relationship with glitter. I mean, the results are great, but you can never get rid of them. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna put this away. That's why they have to wrap it so much. I'm gonna put this here and then put it as, oh, look at this. It's a mess now, guys. Anyway, okay, last thing is glitter, man. Glitter. You know what they did in Brazil once? Let me tell you. I have to get this out. Oh, sorry. I have to get this thing out of the box here because it's, look at this. It's very tight, but it's my favorite thing by Spellbinders is their clubs. So I bet this is a kit for cards, I bet. Yeah, it's a card kit. It's called Time Offline. Creativity starts here. These are my I have at least 8 of these that I have not opened yet because I get my friends to come over and I use it with my friends. I don't use it by myself. So I have to wait until they come. Yay! I love it. I love their card making kits. So that's an old one. That's one of the old ones because the new ones, I think they didn't have stamps anymore. The die cuts are always amazing. The puffy sentiments, some words, yeah, and paper, and it comes with the bases. Look at the paper. Time Offline. So I guess this is for like trips and traveling. I love it. Yeah. They don't have, I don't think they have cards anymore. Oh, and all, yeah, this is one of the old ones because it comes with stamp sets and die in a die set. The new ones actually they don't have those anymore. They don't have card kits anymore. But thankfully I bought a lot and it shows how to use the die set. I bought a lot of these before they stopped making them in paper too. See? Whole bunch of paper. So that's a card kit that I'm gonna put away and wait until my next friends come over. My friends come over. Okay. So guys, that's my mystery box. I am pretty happy with it. The BetterPress will be yours for sure because I don't have one, so these two will be giveaways. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Just wanted to share. Have a great day.